Hello everybody, and it is nice to see you again in the CREP conference. At first, let me introduce myself. My name is Felix Adi Pramono, or usually you know me as Felix J. Wang. I am from Jakarta, the capital city of Indonesia. My educational background is Bachelor in Travel Business Management. I had previously worked as an airline personnel, a branch manager for a flight attendant and airline ground staff training institution, and as a part-time English-speaking tour guide. I have known land hermit crabs as pets since I was in kindergarten. Upon leaving my last job as the manager of the airline staff and flight attendant training institution, I am currently a full-time land hermit crab and seashell seller. Here is the comparison table of land hermit crab species that may be found in Indonesia and other Southeast Asian countries. There are 11 countries in Southeast Asia. All of them has coastline except Laos, which is a landlocked country. As seen from this table, Coenobita rugosus and Coenobita violacens inhabit all of the Southeast Asian countries. And since my childhood, Coenobita rugosus has been the most commonly sold hermit crab species in Indonesia, because this species can be easily found in most areas of the Indonesian archipelago. In this session, I'm going to bring you closer to this colorful species. Many hermit crab street vendors in Indonesia prefer to sell Coenobita rugosus due to its active behavior. This kind of land hermit crab species tend to emerge from the shell and to run quickly, and such characters attract the customers, which are mostly children, to buy. This species is also relatively easy to obtain. There are always big supplies of Coenobita rugosus that results affordable price. The scientific name of this species comes from a Latin word that means corrugated or wrinkled. The most distinctive physical characteristics of Coenobita rugosus is the relatively round and flat left helipad or pincer, or usually we call it BP or big pincer, with many granules or tubercles on it. On the front side of the left pincer's palm, we can see the clear and visible stitch marks or longitudinal ridges in amount of 5 up to 8 ridges. Coenobita rugosus may occasionally wear left-handed or sinistral snail shell, and the right pincer may grow as big as the left one to close the shell opening. But the ridges or the stitch marks will always still be on the left pincer. On the outer surface of the shield leg or left third walking leg, We can see the Dactylus and Proboscis are flat and usually fit very well with the left pincer or calliped to close the shell's aperture or opening. Genobita rugosus normally has brush-like structure or hair called setae in the inner surface of both pincers or callipeds, located right under the joints between the second and third segments of each pincer. Another key characteristic of Genobita rugosus are the compressed eye stalks with relatively round eye lenses or corneas. The total length of the eye stalks are reaching beyond half length of the antenna's lower segment. Genobita rugosus is a hermit crab species with the most extensive color variations. Even sometimes one individual displays a mixture of several colorations. For example, the palm of the left pincer and the shield leg are in purple or pink color, while the rest of the body parts are in dark gray or white color. Here are the possible color bases of Genobita rugosus. However, the most commonly found color are white and gray. Genobita rugosus live on sandy beaches, and they may nest under the shrubs or rocks. Female Genobita rugosus may reproduce when they are about 2 years old, and the size may be as small as adult people's thumbnail. As usual, the larvae develop in the salt water around the intertidal zone of a beach. After the larvae reach the megalop stage in about 30 days, they will start to wear microshell on the seabed. The competition to get the shell to wear could be very fierce among them. And finally, they will start their transition stage as very tiny land hermit crabs when they are about 40 days old. Those tiny hermit crabs are normally in light peach coloration. Male Genubita rugosus sexual tubes may look similar to Genubita lilas sexual tube, but you can see the difference from this diagram. Now we have come to the shell preferences of Genubita rugosus. This land hermit crab species tend to choose round-shaped, round opening, and short-spired shells. The most commonly used shells are from Turbinidae and Nericidae families, because those two snail families inhabit the intertidal zone of many beaches. Besides that, the size range of the shells fits well with body size range of Genubita rugosus. In the absence of those two mollusk families, Genubita rugosus may also wear moon shell, dolphin shell, Babylon tops, or murex shell families from the sea, as well as freshwater snail shells from Ampullaridae and Viviparidae family, or several kinds of land snail shells such as from Achathinidae, Camenidae, or Cyclophoridae families. Thank you for watching my presentation. I would like also to say many thanks to the CrabCon 2024 committee for having me to bring this topic. I hope all of you have enjoyed this presentation, and I hope I will see you again next time.